A day after Father Chan Swami's death in custody, 10 opposition leaders wrote to President Ramnath Kovind expressing deep anguish and outrage over his death and demanded Kovind's immediate intervention as President of India to direct your government to act against those responsible for foisting false cases on Father Swami. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray on Tuesday dismissed rumours that the Shiv Sena and BJP may come together again and also slammed the opposition party for its conduct during the state legislature's just concluded monsoon session. The Supreme Court on Tuesday directed the State Election Commission to decide on whether to hold the by-elections to various Zilla Parishads in 5 districts or to postpone them after considering the Disaster Management Authority notifications and whether the prevalent pandemic conditions are conducive. The Shiv Sena-led MVA government on Maharashtra on Tuesday introduced 3 amendment bills in the assembly related to agriculture, cooperation, food and civil supplies in a move to counter the new farm laws enacted by the centre that are facing stiff opposition from a section of cultivators. The Bombay High Court on Tuesday directed the state to produce relevant records of proceedings from the Pune trial court from 2018 when an extension was granted to the police for filing its charge sheet in the Elgar Parishad case against accused Sudha Bhardwaj. The 2 pending joint entrance examination mains will be conducted from July 20 to 25 and July 27 to August 2, 2021. This was announced by Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal on Tuesday. The goods and services tax collection from the month of June slipped below ₹1 lakh crore mark for the first time after 8 months, majorly on account of state-wide lockdown in wake of second COVID wave. Data released by Finance Minister showed on Tuesday. Indian cricketers who are in the UK for a 5-test series will continue their 20-day break as of now, and few of them will receive their second dose of COVID-19 vaccine on Wednesday, even as England's ODI team has been forced into isolation after an outbreak of virus in its squad. The Brihan-Mumbai Municipal Corporation on Tuesday said that they would allow Ganpati and Navratri idol makers to apply for permission offline. Britney Spears' longtime manager had decided to end his ties with the pop star, according to media outlet Variety, citing his letter to his singer's father over her intention to stop singing professionally.